Hi guys, welcome back to your physics lesson. Today I teach you magnification for spherical mirrors. In previous video I told you about spherical mirrors equations. We have two equations, concave mirror equation, convex mirror equation. Now magnification for spherical mirrors. Magnification shows that the length of the image, the length of image, it means the height of image, is many times greater than the length of the object. Magnification shows that the length of the height of image is many times greater than the height of the object. Okay, how to find magnification? Do you know the purpose of magnification? What is the definition of magnification? How to find magnification? Magnification means M. M is equal height of image over height of object. If we represent height of image HI with HI and height of object with HO, this is the formula of magnification. HI over HO. And also magnification has another formula also. Magnification is equal distance of image mirror, DI, over distance of object mirror, it means DO. It means magnification is equal DI over DO. DI and DO. I told you in previous video. Now, remember this 3 points. M bigger than 1, image is magnified. It means if M is bigger than 1, it means that the height of image is greater than the height of object. It means image is magnified. M is equal to 1, it means image is same size as object. If M is smaller than 1, image is diminished. What is diminished? It means the height of image is smaller than the height of object. Remember this point. And also, magnification does not have units. Magnification is a quantity that doesn't have units. Now I will solve some question about equation, spherical mirror equation and also magnification. Example: an object height. What is the height? Height of object HO. HO is equal 5 centimeter. In height is located vertically 10 centimeter. It means DO 10 centimeter. In front of a convex mirror of focal length. What is focal length? 15 centimeter. Okay, conclude. The image mirror distance means DI. And also the height of image, it means HI. Find HI. Let's solve these questions. We have a formula for convex. 1 over DI, 1 over DO is equal minus 1 over DI is equal minus 1 over F. You know that 1 over DI, 1 over DO. What is DO? 10 centimeter or 10 minus 1 over DI. You know that the distance should be negative. Why? Because the image formed behind the mirror or the image virtual, we take minus 4 DI, and also minus 1 over F. What is F? The value of 15. This minus says that the focal length is also behind the mirror, is also virtual, is minus here. Now 1 over 10, okay, minus divided by minus is become positive. 1 over di is equal 1 over 15. Now I bring 1 over 10 in other side of the equation. The sign change, the sign positive become negative. 1 over di is equal 1 over 15 minus 1 over 10. 1 over di is equal, LMC of these numbers 30. 30 divided by 15 is 2. 2 times 1 is minus 2, minus 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And 1 over di is equal minus 5 over 30. 1, 5, 6, 5 is 30. di is equal minus 6 centimeter. It means this sign, this negative sign says that image far behind the mirror and image is virtual. Now, and also, okay, the question says that the height of calculate the height of the image. How to find the height of image? Now, we have a formula for magnification. Magnification is equal to di over do, and also magnification is equal to hi over ho. Use this formula. 1 over magnification is equal hi over ho is equal di over do. What is hi? We don't know. We should find hi. Ho 5 is equal di 6. We don't write the sign. This sign shows the virtual and the behind. This says that image found behind the mirror is the image is virtual. We don't consider the sign of this 6 centimeter. What is do? Do is 10. Now you know that we can finish 5 and 10. 1, 5 and 2. 5 is 10. 1, 2 and 3. 3 to 6. hi is equal 3 centimeter. It means the height of image is 3 centimeter. Okay guys, question number 2. I solve one more question about magnification. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20. What's focal length? Focal length is f, it means 20 centimeter. The image is virtual with twice the height of the object. It means twice. The height of image is twice the height of the object. It means hi is equal 2 times ho. And calculate with the object mirror distance. It means object do. Find do. And also B, the image mirror distance. It means find di. Okay, let's solve these questions. First of all, we know that magnification is equal hi over ho is equal di over do. We have this formula for magnification. Hi, what's hi? Hi is 2 times ho over ho is equal di over do. HO, if we finish by HO, DI times 1 is equal DI 2 times DO 2 times DO. We found this relationship between DI and DO. Now we have a formula for concave mirror. What is the formula? 1 over DI plus 1 over DO is equal 1 over F. 1 over DI, okay, it doesn't matter. It is DO, it is DI. And instead, okay, 1 over DO plus 1 over DI. What is DI? 2 times DO is equal 1 over F. What is F? F is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. And now we take, what's the LMC of 2 number? 2 times DO. 2 times DO divided by DO is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus. 2 times DO divided by 2 times DO is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 over 20. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 over 2 times DO is equal to 1 over 20. Okay, you know that 1, 2, 1, 2 is finished. You know, we can remove this. Okay, DO times 1 is DO. 10 times 3 is 30 centimeter. And we found the object mirror distance DO. Now we find DI. DI is equal to 2 times DO. 2, what is DO? 30 centimeter. Okay, 2 times 30 is 60. The distance of image from the mirror is 60, and the distance of object is 30 centimeter. Okay, my students, I solved 2 questions about magnification. If you're faced with any questions about physics, comment below, and don't forget follow our YouTube channel. Goodbye, see you soon.